how to get free Uber Eats. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can get free Uber Eats, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to get free Uber Eats, such as let's say you want a free food or you want something like that, you especially have to look out and watch out for offers from Uber Eats, because most of the times they simply give you lots of offers. You might actually find them in the notifications tab, or you'll be able to find them in other areas as well, and then you'll be able to go ahead and then basically find those offers. The other thing you might want to do is you might actually want to share your invite code. So if you have an invitation code over here, you will be able to go ahead and basically share your invite code. You will get a promo code which might not be completely free, but it might give you some discounts. You also want to watch out for coupon codes and use promotions or anything as well. So you can also actually become a Uber One member, as you can see. So for $1 a month, you should actually be able to become an Uber One driver over here, and then you can save $25 every month to hopefully get some more discounts. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.